RejuvaLush Shampoo is marketed as a hair growth shampoo that supposedly regrows lost hair, reverses thinning, strengthens follicles, and helps users achieve thicker, fuller hair. But the real question is, does it actually regrow hair? Or is it another shampoo making promises it can't deliver? Now, to be fair, a good shampoo can improve scalp health and help hair look healthier. Some ingredients commonly found in hair care products may reduce breakage, improve hair texture, and create the appearance of fuller hair. What it does well may improve scalp health. A cleaner, healthier scalp can provide a better environment for hair growth and overall hair quality. Could make hair look thicker temporarily. Volumizing ingredients can help hair appear fuller after washing. Where the hype falls apart, it is unlikely to regrow significant amounts of hair. This is the biggest issue. Shampoos remain on the scalp for only a short period and generally are not effective at reversing major hair loss. Thicker-looking hair is not the same as new hair growth. Many products create the appearance of fuller hair without actually increasing the number of hair follicles. Hair loss is often caused by genetics and hormones. A shampoo alone is unlikely to overcome these underlying factors. So, does RejuvaLush Shampoo actually regrow hair? Short answer. It may improve the appearance and condition of your hair, but it is unlikely to regrow substantial amounts of lost hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.